In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to Zoho Books. This is a crucial step for those who are looking to streamline their business operations and keep their financial tracking seamless and efficient. Now, let's dive right in and walk you through the entire process to make this integration as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and enter them on the Zoho Books login page. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. Here, you'll find the settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Within the settings menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Integrations. This section is dedicated to connecting Zoho Books with other platforms and services, making it quite convenient for expanding your business's reach and capabilities. Select the Integrations option, and you will see a list of potential integrations appear. Among these integrations, you'll find one labeled Shopping Cart. This is where the Shopify integration is housed. Click on Shopping Cart, and it should bring up a series of options, including Shopify. Find the Shopify integration option and click on it to get started with the connection process. Now, Zoho Books will provide a set of on-screen instructions to guide you through connecting your Shopify store. Typically, this involves authorizing the connection between the two platforms. To do this, you'll need to log into your Shopify account, so make sure you have those credentials ready as well. It's a good idea to ensure your Shopify account has the necessary permissions for integrating with third-party services like Zoho Books. This ensures that the process goes smoothly and without a hitch. Once you're logged into Shopify, you'll follow the prompts to authorize this integration. Authorizing allows Zoho Books to securely access your Shopify store's data, which it will use to keep your sales and inventory records up to date automatically. This integration is a fantastic time saver and helps maintain accuracy in your business's financial records, so it's definitely worth the effort. And just like that, you've set up the integration. With your Shopify store now seamlessly connected to Zoho Books, you'll be able to enjoy a more integrated business management experience. If you ever need to manage or troubleshoot this connection, head back to the integration section in Zoho Books. There you can view the status of your connections and make any necessary adjustments. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. With this integration setup complete, you can now focus more on what matters: growing your business. Be sure to look out for more tips and tutorials that help you maximize the tools and resources available to you. Goodbye for now.